Hello everyone. We are going to continue our video with part B. So part 1 is already given in the previous two videos, which you can cover it from there. Now here comes part B, in which we are going to talk about the comprehension. So comprehension, it's a thing which is used as a part of like English language in every exam, which is used when it comes to the language portion. It is used in every exam, whether it is net, set, bank exam, or whatever it is. So now what the mistake the students are making while doing this comprehension is, they first of all read the passage and then they go to the question and then they try to answer it. So what we are going to do today, I'm going to tell you how to do this comprehension. So first of all, we need to read the questions and we need to mark what the question is asking, and then go back to the passage and try to get the answer for that. For example, explain the term inscription. So here the word is inscription. So what we have to do, we have to underline the word inscription, and then we can go here and see inscription is the process of converting information or data into a code, especially to prevent unauthorized access. So we want to do like that. First we want to underline the word inscription, and when we want to go and then we want to search that word, and then we can get the answer. The next one is the public ledger in which all cryptocurrency transactions are recorded is called. So here cryptocurrency transactions are recorded, that is your blockchain. So we have to understand that blockchain is the public ledger. So how we can understand, we want to first find the word public ledger. When we go to this passage, we can see the word public ledger, and we can see that the recorded transactions are called blockchains. The third is the word asset in paragraph 4. So now what we want to do is we want to find out what is wealth. In the passage fourth, where is asset? Okay, in the fourth passage, so asset here. So now we know it will not be purpose, it will not be bad, it will be wealth here. Then we go on to the third question, part B. In this, cryptocurrency are created and controlled through bank. So the answer is false here. It is not controlled and created through bank. So we can read here and then we can understand that it is involves using computer power to solve complicated mathematical problem that generate coins. So this is the answer is false. Now the next one is cryptocurrency provides security and safety for money transaction. Now here we need to underline the word security and safety, and then we can go back to the passage and find out where is security and safety. So when we look here, we can see in this passage the word security and safety. So we can understand that it provides us. So cryptocurrency received its name because it uses inscription to verify transaction. It is a process of converting information or data into a code, and it provides security and safety. It is secure and safe. So we can get the answer for the fourth one from here. Now then we go on to the fifth question. Here we want to prepare a summary. In this one, what we want to do is we want to read the full passage and we just want to write down some points regarding that. So I hope you people are going to be able to do that one. So I'm moving on to the third one. Now in the third one, we can see report the following conversation between Hema and her friend Prakash. Now in this one, we can understand from the very first conversation that this is a direct and indirect speech. Now what is this direct and indirect speech? In direct speech, we talk straight, means like I am talking. Like Prakash, can we go to primary health center? So this is your direct speech. Now what we want to do, we have to convert it into indirect speech, like fill in the blanks as given in here. So I'll explain you. Suppose your teacher tells you to go and tell the class that you want to submit a notebook at lunchtime. So you will go and say that the teacher said we want to submit the notebook at lunchtime. So how the teacher will say, Go and tell the class that I told you to submit the notebooks at lunchtime. But when it comes to you going and telling the students about it, it will be in a different manner. It will not be a direct speech, right? It will be an indirect speech. So here we can see, Prakash, can we go to primary health center today? So this is given here. Now when we go to the indirect part, we can see Hema asked Prakash. So the answer is, if they can go to primary health center, now today will get converted into that day. Now the second portion is Hema asked Prakash. So the answer is given. Prakash readily agreed and inquired. So we go to the answer. The reason for going. So he inquired the reason for going there. Hema replied. So Hema replied she wants to take the second dose of Covishield vaccine. So the third answer is she wants to take a dose of second Covishield vaccine. The last one is, then Prakash reminded her. Okay, reminded her. So here what will we do? In the direct speech, you can take the Aadhaar card and the first dose Covishield certificate with you. But when it comes to here, you can see that he reminded her to take the Aadhaar card and the first dose Covishield certificate with her. Now here, take will be take, not took. Because if we say took the Aadhaar card, the structure of the sentence is going to, will be not proper. It will be inappropriate. So in order to make the structure proper, take will not be converted into the past tense. It will be in present tense itself. If you are interested to know the tenses and direct and indirect speech, if you want to learn the grammar from basics, you can enroll in the course, which will be beneficial for you in every aspect of your life. Now let's move on to the last part of the part B, that is your tenses. Now we want to put the correct form of tense. Now Toyota was. Now Toyota is still existing, so this is wrong. The answer will be is here. Toyota is one of the largest automobile manufacturers in the world, producing about 10 million vehicles every year. It had. Now it had means it is past tense, right? It is still having. It had headquarters means it has. Had is past tense. So we want to see that company is still existing. It has its headquarters at Toyota City in Japan. Now we can see in 1942, Sakichi Toyoda invent. Now you see the date and you can understand this is a past tense and this is not a present tense. So invent is going to get converted into invented. Now when we go on to the next sentence, we can see the company launched 5 new models next year. Now company launched, this is wrong because the next year, so that means will be launching. The activity has not taken place yet. It is going to take place in the upcoming future. So this part B is completed. If you have any doubts, you can put in the comment section, and I hope I was able to help you with the video. Thank you.